kids! Today we're going to show you how to draw and paint a sparkly dump truck. Who would have thought? We start by drawing some circles. Small, medium, big. Join it to another one. Big, medium and small. Now we're going to draw the outline, the front part with a double border and the light on the front and our window frame. And then we're going to draw the rest of our frame. Really, we're just drawing lots of different shapes. Triangles, quadrilaterals, rectangles, squares, circles. Double bordering it too, just like so. And some bars vertically across the middle. See how many shapes you can spot. A rainbow at the top. Excellent time to paint. Starting with green for the wheels. Yeah, we love some bright wheel action there. Both wheels the same colour. Brilliant. Now red for the inner bit. And some yellow for the middle. Ooh, sparkly. Let's use brown now for the front part of our dumper truck. Carefully painting in between the lines. And there. Bottom part. And some more yellow for our gorgeous frame. And the light. There you go. And our bars. And the bottom part of our rainbow. Next we're going to go purple. We'll paint in between some of our yellow bars. These are rectangle shapes. And a triangle and some pink. We like to alternate pink and purple with that gorgeous sparkly yellow. It looks so bright. Yes. And the front. Then we'll use turquoise for our window. And silver. We're going to colour in the inside of our rainbow shape. And the front frame. And red to border our window. And the outer part of our rainbow. Finally, we're going to go for a bit of bronze colour. Woohoo! An absolutely gorgeous, sparkly, colourful dump truck. Whoever knew it could look so beautiful?
Hey kids, look what it is! An ice cream van! Yay! Are you ready to draw it? Let's begin. Start with the wheels. Draw the van and headlight. Another wheel too. Tail light. The window. And the real magic, ice cream. Let's make a roof. Front window. And all the small details. Lastly, the big ice cream on top. This is how we know our favorite ice cream van is approaching. Time to paint, kids. Start with pink for the truck. The color gold will look lovely for the window. And some sparkly silver too. Bright green for the wheels. Some brown too. Cyan for the interior. Sea green for the van roof. Red for the tail light and the roof. Don't forget the headlight. Let's add some green to our roof too. the yummy scoops with purple, golden and red. Brown for the cones. And let's make the big ice cream chocolate flavored. Yum! Light pink for a cone. And done! Look, here goes our van to serve happiness with yummy ice cream. Hope you had fun drawing an ice cream van.
Hey kids, let's draw a mixer truck. You're just going to do some circles for the wheels and the wheel shield and then start to draw the border and outline of the truck. Super easy, making a few different shapes. Steering wheel there, the front part, the back part, the mixer. A few stripes down the middle. There you have it, ready to paint. Sparkly grey for the steering wheel, sparkly yellow for the front body of the truck. I really love that grey against the yellow. We're going to do yellow on the inside of our tyres as well. Gorgeous. Let's go for grey again on the main body of the wheel. I do love the contrast of those two colours. They really stand out. Hey, do you like trucks? I love them. They're super important and super helpful too. They do so many cool jobs. This one mixes cement. Let's use blue for one of our stripes on the mixer. And how about some green for the next stripe? Gorgeous. What next? Oh, I know, some turquoise for our window. Perfect. Now for a dark green. Some royal blue to shield our wheels. Lovely arches. And some bright sparkly red for our main body of the mixer. Lovely! And the other side can be purple. Ooh, I'm loving this colourful mixer truck. Let's do orange for the bottom part. Yeah, and finally, some aquamarine. And we're done!
Subscribe and watch more.